Hey, how's it going? Come on with me. Guess what? Today, TIMROVER is getting some new shoes. Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm over here at Bauer Tire and Service Center. And it's time for TIMROVER to get some new shoes. The tires that even though they look brand new and all that good stuff, it was time to get some new tires. So what I did, I looked around. I was going to get some Goodyear 670s or some XRVs by Michelin. So I figured I'll stay with the XRVs. Then I found out the XRVs were discontinued and they were replaced with Michelin XZEs. And I said, okay, I'll do that because my car, I have a 2017 other vehicle, I should say, and it came with Michelins on it. So I'm going to stick with the Michelins, even though Michelin is a French company and Goodyear is a US made. I'm going to go ahead and toss the coin and pick Michelin. On an RV tire, if you look around here, I'll show you. If you look around here on the tire, there's different items here. But if you look really closely inside of an oval, you have two different ovals here. One you want to focus on is this one right here. This says 1808. That means this tire here was manufactured or born on the 18th week of 2008. So that tells me this tire here is 10 years old. So the Michelin XZEs are the new ones because they're replacing Michelin XRVs, I should say. I was going to get the Goodyear G70s, but they told me the Michelin XZEs are the better tire. So let's see, we'll see what happens. They run about 425 to 450 per tire, and I'm getting 7 tires on TIMROVER. So while I'm in here, I'm going to be leaving out in a bit to grab some lunch, and by the time I get back, the tires should be on TIMROVER, be ready to roll. So I'll see you guys in a bit. TPMS, I took those off earlier, but now I like to just to make sure on this side here, like I showed you guys earlier. If you look down here, you can see the year right here. It's 4617. So, like I mentioned to you guys before, that tells you the 46th week of 2017. Also, it's a good idea to do when you got your RV is when you have your, I should say your spare tire, but they had a hard time getting the spare tire off TIMROVER. So what they did, they put a bolt right here. They put a bolt right here. You can see that silver bolt. As you can see that silver bolt, what happened is that it's a temporary bolt because the other one had rusted out. Because what happened on the RVs is that over time, is that when you don't use that spare tire, everything starts to rust out. So just give that a shot of oil, whatever. I'm going to put a chain down there, some kind of bracket. But other than that, she looks great. I like the tires on it. I mentioned to you before, they are a Bauer built tire and service here, and they did a great job. The tires look great. But until then, thanks for checking this out. The tires are on. I'm ready to go. I'm happy. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button on top. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next round of TIMROVER RV. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.